Hi everyone, I'm Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're doing really well. I want to show you some of the dresses that I currently have in stock. They're beautiful dresses by R&M Richards, Morgan & Company, Nightway. Beautiful dresses from sizes 6 all the way to size 24. The majority of the dresses are from sizes 8 to 18. They're all different styles, colors, sizes. For instance, here's a size 12 color navy. It's an off-the-shoulder dress. Now, while I have opened, many of the boxes, and I have done other videos on the boxes, as you can see back here, there's still boxes that are closed. Those boxes are going to have very similar dresses to the dresses that I'm showing you. If you want to see additional pictures and videos, definitely let me know. You can send me a message. I'm happy to send you videos and more pictures. All right, so here's an R&M Richards dress, size 8. Has a bolero style jacket, long sleeve jacket at the top of the dress. My cell phone WhatsApp number, if you need it, is 1-917-913-6093. You could also comment on the video. Hey, this looks to me like a nice work dress. Two-piece dress. Size 8 by R&M Richards. Comes with a really nice necklace. Okay. Here we have a dress size, it's R&M Richards. It's color black, and it is size 14, if you can see. I know it could be a little challenging to see through the plastics, but I want to keep the dresses in plastic so they stay in really good condition. Okay, here we have a two-piece dress with a jacket, size 14 by R&M Richards, R&M Richards Petite. Remember, if you want to see the dresses more clearly, you could send me a message and I'll send you pictures, and the majority of the pictures have the dresses out of the plastic. Okay, we have another dress, size 14P. This dress is size 18, color navy. This dress is size 6 by R&M Richards. Top of the dress is black. It says long sleeve dress, but it is thin material, so this is a good dress for a warm climate. The bottom of the dress, you can see, has a chiffon-like material with a red and black color pattern. Let me show you a very similar dress, just the color is going to be different. Okay, and this one is size 8. The same dress like the dress that I previously showed you, just a different color pattern. She has a nice bow, right, nice belt. Let me skip this dress. I'm skipping it because it's the same dress like the one I just showed you. Okay, next we have a two-piece R&M Richards dress. It's a jacket. This is a pant set. Size 14, color mocha. Here we have a red dress, sleeveless red dress. The dress has a blouse, a mesh lace style top. This one, I believe, is size, I think they call it size 5/6. It is by Morgan & Company. So it's whenever you see that type of style, that type of size, usually means it's a junior size. That's what I've learned. So that dress would be appropriate for young women, for a teenager. Here's a short dress. I think this is what they call spaghetti arms, spaghetti straps. This is, I believe it's a size 12. Okay, we have a two-piece R&M Richards dress, size 11, 12. It's by Morgan & Company. Now, if you notice, all of these dresses I'm showing you are from one box, so you really are going to get a really nice selection, a good variety. I could skip to another box. I might do some of the other boxes in separate videos, but let me just give you a general idea. This one is a size 18. Let's see what we have in this box. This dress is a two-piece dress, size 14. It's a long dress with a jacket. R&M Richards dress. Beads on the dress. Now, while you're welcome to buy the entire lot, you can also buy a variety. If you order, let's say, 25 dresses, they give you a variety of different brands, different styles, different colors, and different sizes. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, definitely let me know. You can always comment on the video. You can send me a message, send me an email. My email is donnielowy@closeoutexplosion.com. Here's a size 14 dress, color navy. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope I made this video interesting and informative. And have a great day.